Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another collab video, and today I'm collabing with VIP Wigs. I will be showing y'all the wig. They sent me a deep wave style wig. I don't know the inches of this wig, but it will be in the description box. It also comes with hair clips, a wig cap, and hair ties. It also comes with a comb, and this is how the lace looks, and the hair is really some good hair. Yes, you can wash this hair. You can get in the shower with this hair. Like, literally can do all that with this hair, y'all. It's also a lace closure. So yes, it is 4x4 and it's easy to install. yes, y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. Get into it. I don't have anything bad to say about this hair. This is how it looks dried out. You could wear it wet and wavy if you want, but I think I'm gonna wear it poofy, you know, give it a different look. But yes, if y'all interested, go shop with VIP Wigs. This exact wig, their website, everything, the link will be in the description box. You can use my discount code to get some money off, sis, because who don't want money off? But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. If you like this hair, go shop. I would recommend. I don't have nothing bad to say about this hair, to be honest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. This exact wig will be in the description box. You can check the description box for any information that you need. So don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go watch the rest of my videos if you already haven't, because sis, what is you doing? Period.
Mm-hmm.